Cash App confusion, linked account blues? Here's the fix. Ever felt the frustration of wanting to send money to a friend on Cash App, but your account just sits there, mockingly empty? Been there, done that. Maybe you received a payment request and you're scrambling to figure out how to get those funds flowing. Fear not, fellow Cash App user, because linking your bank account is the key to unlocking the full potential of this awesome money transfer app. Now, Cash App is pretty slick, but for some folks, the linking process can feel a little mysterious. Don't worry, it's actually quite simple, and in this video, we're going to break it down step by step. By the end, you'll be a Cash App linking pro, ready to send and receive money with ease. So, why even link your bank account in the first place? Here are some reasons Cash App with a linked bank account becomes a game changer. Say goodbye to cash advances. Need to add funds to your Cash App balance but don't have any cash on hand? With a linked bank account, you can transfer money instantly, ditching the ATM fees and saving yourself a trip. Faster payouts. Want an epic Cash App game night with your friends? A linked bank account lets you withdraw your winnings quicker, putting that cash back in your pocket or getting it ready for your next shopping spree. Unlock the full Cash App experience. Want to invest in stocks or buy Bitcoin through Cash App? A linked bank account is required for these features. Basically, a linked bank account makes Cash App so much more versatile and convenient. Now, let's get down to business. Step 1. Open the Cash App and locate your profile. First things first, grab your phone and open the Cash App. On the main screen, you'll see your current balance displayed prominently. Look for the profile picture icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to the linking magic. Tap on it. Step 2. Diving into Settings, find Linked Banks. Once you tap the profile icon, you'll be taken to your Cash App account settings. It might look a little different depending on your phone model, but don't worry, the key elements are always there. Scan down the list of options until you see Linked Banks. This is the golden ticket, so tap on it. Step 3. The glorious Link Bank button. Here, you'll likely see any previously linked debit cards or bank accounts. But fear not, even if it's empty now, there's a solution. Look for the beautiful button that says Link Bank or something similar. This is your starting point for establishing that crucial connection. Tap on it with confidence. Step 4. Introducing Plaid, your secure linking partner. Now, you might see a screen mentioning a company called Plaid. Don't be alarmed. Plaid is a secure service that acts as a middleman between Cash App and your bank. It allows Cash App to access your bank account information safely so you can seamlessly transfer funds. Just tap Continue to proceed. Step 5. Finding your bank, a match made in financial heaven. Here's where things get personal, with your bank, that is. You'll see a list of popular banks. If yours is there, simply tap on it. However, if your bank isn't on the initial list, don't panic. There's usually a search bar at the top where you can type in your bank's name. Once you find your bank, tap on it to initiate the connection. Step 6. Logging into your bank securely, safety first. Now, Cash App will take you to a secure login screen specifically for your bank. This is where you'll enter your usual bank login credentials, just like you would when logging into your bank's website or app. Remember, Cash App never stores your bank login information, so you can rest assured your financial data is safe. Step 7. Selecting accounts and granting access. Depending on your bank, you might see a screen asking you to choose which account you want to link with Cash App. Select the appropriate account and follow any additional prompts to grant Cash App access to your information. This typically involves checking a box or clicking Allow. Step 8. Confirmation is key. Double check and celebrate. Finally, you'll likely see a confirmation screen summarizing the connection between Cash App and your bank account.